Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, something crazy that happened which put the entire market into a fearful situation that can be seen by the fear to the grid index. For a short period of time, it did actually climb to 37, but now fallen back to 35 as there was a really strong sell-off that happened earlier today. And that can also be seen how quickly Bitcoin actually lost value. You can see we went from 98,000 all the way down to 95,000 in just about 3 to 4 hours. This is obviously going to be a really strong sell-off, and that's going to cause a lot of people to be in a panic situation. Now, why is this a big deal? Because we actually fell under the critical support of 96,000. That means we have broken out of the demand zone in the negative way. This is going to change the sentiments and the market is going to be a little bit unpredictable. Now, this is probably the perfect time. You know, when everyone is fearful, you need to put money into something so you can make profit when everyone comes back. Well, there's one token that I have been paying attention to, and it's called BTCBULL. Now, I talked about this token yesterday, and I just want to show you guys how much potential this token has. Yesterday when I made a video on it, let's just say the USDT raised was close to 250,000. Right now in a single day it's sitting at 800,000. So if you just bought it yesterday, you would have already 3x your money while the market was still struggling to hold the price. This token is still in a pre-sale stage, and this token has a lot of potential. What I mean by that is Bitcoin Bull token, Bitcoin's best crypto pre-sale. Bitcoin Bull is an unstoppable force pushing Bitcoin towards 1 million. Buy Bitcoin Bull and earn Bitcoin as BTC becomes the #1 asset in the world. What is the idea? First of all, they are featured in quite large platforms such as Coinpedia, Cryptopolitan, News BTC, and Crypto News. The official Bitcoin meme. Bitcoin is the best performing asset in history, up more than 200 million% since the start. Now jump on board where we ride it to 250,000. Earn Bitcoin as airdrop if you do decide to purchase this token. Token burn milestones, and then you will be able to stake it away for a good return. If you do decide to purchase right now, you can actually go ahead and stake it away for 481% return per annum. That's huge because you will be able to make a lot of money. As you know, as more and more people are going to be buying into the token, this is going to go down. But right now, if you're early, obviously you will be able to make more profit. On the other end, these are the milestones which are going to be huge, because when BTC hits 100k, BitBull pre-sale, 125k token burn, 150k BTC airdrop, token burn, airdrop, and that's exactly how they want to help Bitcoin grow, while this token is also going to be doing incredible. Now earn free Bitcoin with BTCBULL token. If you just decide to hold it, you will be given a lot of Bitcoin. To reward the Bitcoin Bull community in BTC, we needed a wallet partner with advanced capabilities, and they have actually partnered up with the multi-chain crypto wallet which I've talked about before, called Best Wallet. Now they have been audited already with no problems at all, even though they are in a pre-sale stage. The Twitter from yesterday at about 200 followers has grown to nearly 2,000 followers, and you can see that the initial post has nearly 30,000 views. So there is a lot of people which are slowly starting to find out about this project, and Telegram has about 250 subscribers. Another thing that's interesting is their tokenomics. The 15% goes to the Bull Fund, Milestone Burn Fund, which will be 10% to BTC Bull airdrop, 10% to staking, 10% to exchange, and 40% to PR and marketing. Marketing is huge because they want to make sure that everyone finds out about this token and everyone is able to make good profit. The token supply right now is at 21 billion, but obviously as the burns are going to be coming in, there will be more things happening. These are the news which are popping right now, and in general there is a lot of things which will be happening with this token. At the end of the day, this is still a meme coin, so this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys my opinion. Do your own research. It's your money, so you obviously need to be sure where you want to put it. If you do want to purchase it, it's very simple. You just need to go to the link in the description. It will bring you to this website. You can click on buy with card or buy with crypto. If you decide to use crypto, you can just connect the wallet that you guys are using, and then you can just put in how much Ethereum or how much USDT you would like to allocate to this token. Once you purchase it, do not forget to stake it away, because obviously it will take a little bit of time for the pre-sale to come to an end, and your money, you don't want it to just sit there, so you can actually make a little bit of a return while you're waiting. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon.